Ever wondered why you suck at typing? Well, it's because of your tiny fingers. Nah, I'm kidding. It's never about your tiny fingers or about your cheap keyboard. It's because you were never taught how to type effectively. Typing effectively doesn't mean you need to use your fingers. You can use your mouth. Seriously, try it with your mouth. It's not that hard. Well, don't do this. Instead, I will show you how you can type with your mouth better than your fingers. It's 2026 and people are still typing with their fingers. It's time to move on. What I mean is that you can use voice to text to type faster. It's not called typing, instead, it's called dictation. But the end result is the same. Recently, I have been trying to do everything with dictation. Seriously, everything. And I noticed that my series of thoughts flow better when I dictate rather than type. There are several apps which can do voice to text, but in my opinion, there are two which stand out. First is Raycast. You might think Raycast is just the launcher. No, it's more than you think and more than you need. In the recent update, the V2 version introduced a dictation feature. It does exactly what it says and more. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Raycast and its settings by pressing Command plus comma. Then search for dictation and press enter. Here you can customize the dictation feature however the hell you want. You can change output action or mute the system when you are dictating or give context of the frontmost app. There are more options than you think. But what makes it interesting is that you can create your own dictation style. Let me tell you an example. If I ever want my dictation to be translated to another language, say German, I can do it. First, we need to press create style, then you can give it a name and an icon. Let's say German translation, and you can choose any icon which is present in the preset. Then in the prompt section, you can just write turn text to German. You can also select apps and websites where the style should be automatically used when you press the dictation shortcut by default. For now, let's select Antinote app and save it. After you do that, you can add either a hotkey or an alias to it or else use the default dictation hotkey, which then only translates when you dictate in Antinote. Let's test this out. Open Antinote and press the dictation hotkey. Hi, how are you doing? See, it translates to German with zero to negligible delay. But there is a huge catch when you're using Raycast for dictation. Some of you might have already noticed it. Dictation in Raycast is only free until the beta version is available. So I have another alternative, which might not be as good as Raycast, but at least it's free forever when you download a local mod, and it's called Spokenly. You can download this app directly from the developer's website, which I have linked in the description. After you have downloaded and installed it, open the app and go to dictation models. Then select local, where you can see different types of local models available for you to download. I feel like NVIDIA Parakeet V3 model works best for multiple languages, which is my current use case. If you ever want to run everything locally without any internet connection or anything, you can go to general settings and enable local only mode. But I only recommend it if you value privacy, as some of the features might not work in this mode. If you want to create something similar to dictation styles in Raycast, you can do it in the AI prompts section. You just click the new prompt button and fill in what is required for your use case. I already have two prompts which I use daily. For this, you need to have an API key from Google, Anthropic, or OpenAI. That's it for this video. If you want to know how to add an alias or an hotkey in Raycast, you can check out my previous video. And if you want to know how to get Google API for free, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Peace.